What's up, brothers? In today's video we're gonna be talking why gym workouts are overrated and why I think that home training is superior. So let's be real, most people in the gym have zero idea what they're doing. They hop just on a random machines, scroll through Instagram between sets and call it training. Meanwhile, the strongest, most aesthetic physiques in history have been built using nothing but body weight and gravity. Gymnasts, fighters, or even ancient warriors, they weren't wasting time on the leg press machines, they were moving their bodies like athletes. If you still think you need a gym to get jacked, you've been lied to. So here's why home training is not just as good, but actually better in my opinion. Reason number 1. The gym wastes your time. What does this mean? You drive to the gym, you wait for the machines, some guy is sitting on a bench press texting his ex, another dude is doing curls in the squat rack. By the time you actually get to train, you've already wasted 30 minutes of your time. Meanwhile, at home you've already finished an intense full body session in less time than it takes these guys to warm up. Because there's no waiting and no distractions, just pure gains. Then we have reason number 2. Bodyweight training builds real strength. People think that machines make them strong. That's actually wrong. They make you good at using machines. Real strength comes from controlling your body in space. Exercises like dips, pull-ups, push-ups, handstands. These moves build a functional athletic body that actually translates into real-world strength. And if you think bodyweight training won't make you big, explain gymnasts. Their chest, arms and shoulders put most gym bros to shame. Reason number 3. Progressive overload works at home too. A lot of people say, but you need weights to build muscle, which is actually not true. All you need is progressive overload. You can add weight to your pull-ups and dips. You can slow down the reps and increase time under tension. You can change the angle to make exercises harder. Your body doesn't care where the resistance comes from, it only cares about adaptation. So you need to start training smarter and you will grow. So next time when someone tells you you need a gym to build muscle, show them a guy who can rep out weighted dips and pull-ups with ease. The gym is cool if you like waiting in a line for bench, but if you want to train like an athlete, get strong and actually build a physique that stands out, home training is the way.